One. Welcome to the Hallowed Blitz roast session. I am here with my boy Asen, Robert, Alex, and Zach. CJ couldn't be here because he's a little bitch. Alright.
Boy, you do not know how to roast. And for one, you don't even know how to do the intro.
Goddamn, he's chewing your ass already.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay, at least I don't look like a freaking baked potato and have a brain of a baked potato, and I didn't suck a girl's dick.
Damn. What female have you been fucking, Zach?
Hey, Zach, at least we don't look fucked up like you do. You're all deformed and we're normal.
Listen, I have time to...
Robert, I wouldn't say that. Look
Hey,
at
fuck
this.
you.
Robert, boy, you look like a...
What?
Ah, he stalled! He stalled!
Actually, you're
Kyle,
shredding.
let me get on you with your little version behind, boy. You don't even know how to do right things. You need to quit mouth, boy. You need to shut your mouth.
Where the fuck's Corey at? I want to roast Corey, too.
Corey's not gonna be here.
And then Asian boy, you look like a burnt biscuit.
You said that like 5 million times, Zach. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, it's kind of overused. Like,
You sound like a fucking little 2-year-old on helium, motherfucker. You sound like a fucked up dill boy.
Y'all all sound like fucked up on drugs.
Asen.
Well, hell, we
where are you
ain't
at?
the crack. Hey, Kyle, you know who he reminds me of? Zach reminds me of?
Yeah.
He reminds me of Peanut Butter Baby. Oh.
That's it. Y'all really being stupid. This is roasting. You don't talk. Well, you do talk about other people, but roasting someone means you get on their behinds.
No, we don't stick dicks in other guys' ass like you do.
Hold on, Asen speaking. Be quiet.
Zach. Alright. Yo, you look the freaking like offspring between Nicolas Cage and Miley Cyrus. So shut the fuck up.
Well, you don't even know how to speak proper English. Well, you shut up.
No. You know what? Zach looks like Miley Cyrus' baby.
He probably is.
No. Think about it. Why was the song Wrecking Ball made? It was because of Zach. Think about it.
Well, you look like the wrecking ball. You're gonna break the earth.
No.
Oh!
Shit. Alright.
Don't come down, make an earthquake.
Ways, and at
Yeah,
least we got one thing in common. And we got us white people have something in common against you. We ain't getting deported.
Oh.
Whoa!
I mean, I'm
At
Mexican.
least I
I'm
don't look like
legal.
Zach. At least I don't look like Johnny from Ed, Edd, and Eddy.
Oh, no. I can see it. Want to talk to Plank?
That's probably his best friend.
That's his bed buddy. That's who
Robert,
gets fucked by.
That thing has a hole in it.
You get that splinter dick.
Zach's all silent. I think we hurt his feelings.
No, I'm just taking something to roast y'all.
Roast job.
This is a roast
doesn't
session.
have
You have to keep going.
Yeah, you don't stop.
Dude, look. Every time he looks down, he looks at his dick.
Yep.
Look, oh, he's looking at his dick. Look, he's
It's
looking
like-
at his dick.
He's probably looking up
He's
like
trying to-
comebacks. He's probably.
He's
Hey,
he's trying to find his dick.
I got something to find to Zach. It's quite pathetic that Zach can't get no pussy, so he has to refer to the movie Sausage Party.
Oh.
Boy, what age do you know me? You don't even know me, boy. I'm about to get on your little ugly alien potato looking head self. Boy, go take a shower somewhere. That's why no girl likes you. Go take a shower, boy. You look like you gonna stick up this horn out there. When you walk into a room, everyone scares everywhere. That's how bad
Hey,
you sound.
your girl goes good with
Zach.
that song, dude. Like lady.
Oh. Zach, give me a favor. Go in the garage real quick.
What?
Stay in the garage.
Zach, why are you the only one FaceTiming?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Zach, surprised the camera hasn't broke yet. That motherfucker scares the shit out of me every time I see him. I was like, oh, he's gonna bite. He's either gonna bite me or he's gonna do something to me. I think he's gonna hump my leg. He's gonna...
That's dog.
Hey guys, see how he went in the garage?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
He's my bitch. He's my bitch. He does anything I say to him.
Oh,
Hey
you
man,
got
no,
that.
I'm going back.
Now, don't go back inside. Stay in the garage.
No, I ain't doing
No,
that.
Just to let you know,
he's stupid.
just to let you know, when
Guys,
someone
it's
gets there, you
raining
need to go
outside.
somewhere else.
Hey, it's raining outside, guys.
How? That's your shower.
Oh,
That's your
it's
shower.
gonna sit finally rain.
It's probably raining outside because God saw you walk in the garage and said, "Oh fuck, that ugly bitch is looking at me."
He got crying. He saw his face. He's like, oh shit.
Got to shoot away.
Dude, he's trying to wash away Zach right now. That's what's God's
No,
trying.
no, God started crying because y'all started to roast me, and they're like, "Damn, y'all don't know how to roast." So be like,
Okay,
"Oh,
Zach. First of all,
and that's
you're the
when
first one.
they're gonna roast your boy."
Zach, first of
What?
all, I did the intro, and you're the first one to roast me. So we weren't the ones that started roasting.
That's because I'm beast. I'm salamander.
No, he ain't no salamander. He's like fucking fuck. What's his face?
See how he's
Fuck
looking
face.
in the fridge because he's always so skinny. He wants to be fat as hell.
He wants to be
When
like
that
his Uncle Kyle. He wants to be like his Uncle Kyle. He wants to look just like you.
Wow.
He's my bitch.
He wants to be like you. He wants to be your little sidekick bitch.
He already
Hey,
is my
can I have
bitch. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Be doing.
Boy, put those beans away before I come and whoop your ass.
You know, have some beans.
Jared, watch this turn into a sausage party.
Boy,
I
you
know,
look like
right?
a bean. Put it away. You look
Hey,
like a bean. Put it away.
Yeah. Hey, you know, from Sausage Party, that fucking tortilla, fucking the tortilla and the fucking
No, you can't
bagel
have
from-
beans. You look like a bean. Go downstairs. What the fuck? Okay, wait a second.
Tell me I look like a bean, but yeah, he's wearing a freaking white shirt and he doesn't have a haircut. He looks like a freaking little girl. He's crying like a little girl, like wah. He can't get no other female because he's a little girl. That's why he likes it in the butt.
talking about? Who's he roasted? You.
Zach, why'd you just disappear from the camera?
Zach,
Yeah.
at least I like girls. Zach, at least I like girls, and I don't go out with girls that have penises.
Yeah, her
Got you there.
girl looks like a fucking man.
And don't forget, he also dated underage girls. Don't forget about that.
Oh yeah, he dated a middle schooler.
Not opera.
You had one
Yes,
job.
he dated a middle schooler.
Oh.
Listen, she was 13.
She's still in middle school, and you're in high school, and you're almost 17.
That's fucking rape.
Listen, the pussy was amazing.
He just needs to do it. But you gotta think, he's fucking desperate. His dick gets hard just looking at he gets hard looking at Kyle in the middle of the night.
I walk around. I see him get a hard on like in the morning. It's not from wood either.
It's from touching his man. It's touching
It
his
is.
man is hard. Hey,
Kyle, you can't let him make you your bitch.
Well, Kyle had a boner one morning, so.
I always have a constant boner, so I mean, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, Kyle had a boner, so it felt weird. I stayed the night, and he had a boner the next morning. I think he was dreaming about me.
Don't.
I think Kyle was dreaming about me.
No, he was just having a wet dream. That's all.
Yeah, dreaming about me, motherfucker.
He saw Robert's
Zach.
body. Hey,
Hold on, Zach. I know you like girls with penises because I remember filming you trying to eat a whole banana. Trying to shove it down your throat.
It was a dare.
it was a dare, but I still went with it.
You could have said no.
He said, he said, take it up the ass. It was a
Wait, wait, wait.
dare. I couldn't say no.
Kyle,
That's
did you,
different story.
Kyle,
What?
you still had that video when Zach tried to crack a can on his head?
Oh my God.
Oh, wait. Throwback Monday.
How'd your head feel? How'd your head feel when you cracked that? You tried to crack the can on your head.
It hurt.
You felt
It
like
hurt.
No, to be honest, Zach is the kind of person who would try to throw an egg at his own head and miss.
I actually have done that and I missed.
Hold on, wait, I gotta say something. This kid on the bus told me the reason his front teeth are fucked up was because in like elementary school he tried to reach for milk and like suddenly hit his face on a table. Like how the fuck you suddenly hit your face on a table?
Your face on the table, grabbing milk.
There's chocolate milk.
I've been hit in the face with a metal baseball bat. I mean,
I got hit in the face by a sledgehammer.
Is that why you're so ugly,
got hit-
Alex?
I did.
yeah. I used to be like a fucking.
When I see Alex in the fucking thing, all I have to do is fucking puke. That's all I gotta do whenever I see his ass.
And every time I see Robert, all I have to do
Robert,
is look away.
Robert, you look like a
Hey,
fucking
Aiden,
thumb.
did you break the camera?
Kyle, you know what you look like? You look like that fucking fat kid from back at the barnyard. Scott.
Oh!
That's
Hey, y'all
okay.
should
You
see
look like a
Kyle.
thumb. You look like a thumb from fucking Spy Kids.
Robert looks.
Yeah, I'm the bully from Little Rascals. Fuck y'all mean. I'll bully y'all motherfuckers. Ain't my fault y'all look like, Alex looks like fucking alfalfa. You look like,
No, that.
Oh hell no! You tried my life.
Kyle looks like Spanky. And fucking Zach looks like, what's his face? The ugly motherfucker. Yeah, the weird guy with the glasses. Fuck you,
No,
homie.
no.
Whoever did that voice
Tell me.
impression is amazing.
You know who Zach looks like? Zach looks like fucking Golem.
Oh my god.
My precious.
Zach's
Big
too
old
busy
dump.
stuffing his face. Zach, say something. What the hell are you doing? You're sitting there just stuffing your face.
He's sitting here taking it up the ass. That's what he's doing.
He's upset. He has to eat ice cream. He's sad. He gotta eat ice cream.
There's peanut butter.
Please,
My nipple.
please don't tell me you're sticking. Hold on. Please don't tell me you're sticking your spoon in a peanut butter jar.
No.
That's peanut butter.
Phew.
That's peanut butter. That's peanut butter.
This kid also tried to blow his load in my bathroom.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Oh
I knocked
my
on the door. I
God.
said, Zach. I knocked on the door. I said, Zach, hurry up. I need to go to the bathroom. Blow your load. And he's like, I'm trying to blow my load really hard.
I thought that means
He's trying to push it real good.
I was trying to push it all out.
I'm pushing it real good.
Push it real good.
I think Zach doesn't know what blowing your load means. And what? Miranda, you sucked Miranda's dick and you don't know what blowing a load means?
Nope.
God damn. She blew her load in his mouth.
That is true. Now I get what that means now.
Oh my
That's
God.
true. So she did blow your load in your face?
Oh my god!
Yeah. Oh,
God damn!
God.
Miranda blew,
Girl, you taking out the buzzer?
Load.
Shut up.
Miranda blew her load in Zach's face. That is a new one.
That's something else.
No, she blew it in his mouth. She blew it in his mouth.
Hey,
Oh.
Zach, she's really cleany, isn't she?
It was kinky.
Isn't
Okay?
he?
She's really cleany.
This kid thought kinky. He thought kinky meant cleany or some shit.
What? Why are you so kinky?
Hey, girl, go on and date someone. Grow up. Look, drop your balls and be a man and ask a girl out.
Oh, I ask women out all the fucking time.
I'm not talking to you.
He asked me out.
No, I'm not talking to you. No, ew.
Yeah, Alex, Alex, will you go out with me?
Hell no.
Fuck you then. I didn't want to be your boyfriend anyway.
Get
Fuck
rejected.
you.
Rejected.
Hashtag.
I'm a free, independent black woman.
He's the first person who actually rejected me. That's how bad it is.
All around me.
God.
Out of so many chicks, he's the only one that rejected me.
Hey, do you know what the
What?
funny part is?
Michael?
How
But I have a
Yeah.
fat shot. Anyway,
So, guys, what did y'all do for y'all Thanksgiving break?
Oh,
fucking
he's subject. He don't want to anymore.
I don't know. We feel like we're roasting you like a fucking turkey right now. That big ass
Hey,
forehead.
I am a turkey.
Kyle.
What?
Boy, I bet I could look up Zach and Urban Dictionary and show up baked potato.
Look it up and I was like, say
Shut up,
another
Mark.
word for baked potato. Ooh.
Oh my
Hey,
god, I did.
Ace,
Zach is right there.
Ace, don't
Oh my
talk.
God.
Ace, don't talk. You're gonna break the camera, so don't talk, okay? You're gonna break the camera. That's how bad your breath stinks.
No, it breaks the fucking speakers, dumbass.
No, it breaks everything. Breaks glass.
You'll break the world.
Oh, I know your face.
Well, Zach, don't look in the mirror. You'll break everything.
Listen, I already broke it.
He broke my will to live.
Damn, he just called himself ugly.
I
I'm
know.
not ugly. I'm
That's what he's
ugly.
laughing.
Hey, he's taking it from SpongeBob. I'm ugly and I'm proud. Say it louder. I'm ugly and I'm proud.
ugly. I'm proud.
Louder!
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
All right, Robert.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
That was Brian who said that.
Hey,
Y'all better shut up. Y'all better shut up over there. I'm trying to masturbate.
The fuck?
Hey, I'm into it.
Hey, do one of y'all have a cigarette?
No.
Well, fuck you.
I do.
anyone hungry? I'm roasting the fuck out of Zach.
Yeah, who wants some? Who's hungry? Because I'm roasting the shit out of Zach. We need to eat him.
Hey, I'm hungry. I want to roast y'all.
Go ahead.
Eat your
What?
dinner.
Here.
Try to, bitch.
Start from Alex to me to Robert to Michael real quick. Just go. Roast each and every one of us right now.
Right.
Well,
Alex, you
quiet.
sound like a chipmunk that doesn't even know how to talk. That's what you sound like, boy. You about to scream around the whole entire earth. And freaking Robert, man. Robert, he's a giant. He'll crush anything you see. If he eats everything in the world, he works on stuff, and he just can't stop working because he's too big to.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
Yeah. Sound like a fake redneck motherfucker over there.
Go to Ace.
Shut-
Go to Ace.
It shuts down. And Asen, man, he can't even fit in his own car. That thing will feel bad. And when he gets on the bus driver goes, "Oh my goodness, we just got a huge behind weight on the bus because of him." Boy, he slumps down. He has to take up one seat just for himself. And Kyle, boy, you look like a homeless person that needs help. Because all this stuff that you just do nothing but play video games. Video games. Life about video games.
Video game is
And all
life.
you do is
Fuck you.
and all you do is suck females' dicks.
Yeah. Wait, whose turn is it to roast now? Or
Hold on, wait. We'll get let's rank that roast from 1 to 10. Let's go. Michael, what do you
2.
give that roast?
I
give that a
Robert
negative
gives it
5.
2.
I say 4.
Alex gives it. Okay, Alex, give a Alex, give a reason, like a real.
A real reason?
Yeah.
He said I
Real
sound
number.
like, or well, he said I don't know. He said something about homeless people. I was like, what?
What's your number?
What's my number? I'm gonna have to go with 3, Jeff.
A 3?
Okay. Hold
Well,
on,
I'm
let me put all these up. So I'll
Kyle.
put up the scores, see who's the best roaster. Hold on, wait. Michael, would you
I'll
give
go-
it a 4?
Go next.
Like my feelings weren't even hurt after that roast.
Yeah, they're more
Michael,
people.
would you give it a 4?
Yeah, 4.
Okay. Robert, would you give it a 2?
Hey, Zach, I found you.
I
Zach,
gave him
I
a 2.
found you. Look.
I gave him a 2.
Okay.
Zach, look, I found you.
Alex, would you give him
3.
a 3? Wait, Alex, would you give him
A 3. He gave him a 3.
a 3?
Yeah, I give him a 3.
4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 Zach got a score of 29, which is
Yeah.
Hey, you fucking disease.
7. All right.
You're about to blow the world apart with that sneeze.
Nah, he's gonna.
All right. Robert's next.
Hey, we had to call the fire department on him.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna look at your ass.
Robert's next.
I'm gonna start with
off,
that.
Robert. Is this like
Ready?
a game show? I'm gonna start with Zach.
10.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Man, Zach sounds like a fake wannabe hillbilly motherfucking cousin fucking sister loving piece of shit out there. He sounds like it. He tries to act like it.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, man, shit, I really know what you're talking about.
Asian looks like a fucking big ass blob from like Monsters vs. Alien. He looks like Bob.
No, get it right. Hey, he's the guy off of.
Shut up, Zach.
Shut up, he's
your
trying
turn.
to make a.
Kyle, he's can't say much about him. He's my brother. He's like my brother, but he's a good guy. He's sometimes he could be a real stiff, like his little dick that pops up in the morning. And then Alex, he's just a ugly motherfucker. That, I can't explain it. He's just fucking hell. He makes blind people cry. That's just sad there. His sight fucking scares the shit out of everyone.
Oh, that's
Oh,
explains
fuck you!
Kyle.
Okay, that's
Okay.
it. I'm good.
I will give
I give it a solid
I'll give it a
6.
4. Okay.
You gave him a
7.
6, 4? Okay.
I say 7.
4?
I say
I meant
6. That was
5. Hold
fucking
on,
amazing.
wait. I'll give it a 5. Hold on. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus, what do you give it, Zach?
A
what?
I think that was a.
3.
What'd I get?
3. Ooh!
Ooh.
Hold on, wait. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3. Robert got
That's
a total of 138.
Oh, you're just multiplying? What the fuck? What kind of math are you doing?
For
I'm not
real.
multiplying.
What are you doing? How'd it come to like 130 something?
Hold on. 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3. The fuck? Hold
He's
on.
using a calculator.
Yeah, I don't know if I mean
I don't even know how to do freaking math.
I'm not the smartest at math, but I'm pretty sure that's not what it equals.
For real.
Yeah.
137. What the fuck? What's 2
What
plus
scores
2?
Again?
4.
4.
I said 6.
Okay.
Who the hell
6
did?
plus 7 plus
Is
13. It's 13.
5
13.
plus
11.
Plus 5 is
3.
18. 19, 20, 21.
Then how the hell does Zach get a higher score?
He didn't. You totally did score it wrong. It was 4, then a 3, then a 2, and then 2. 4 and 3, that's 7, plus another 4, which is 11.
I got a higher score than you.
Oh, you didn't? I got a higher score than you.
Shut the fuck up, Zach.
You should have. Don't tell me what to do, you alien head.
Gotcha.
What are you calling an alien head? Hold on,
What?
Zach.
Robert.
Yeah,
What Robert?
baby.
Get? Robert. What was your score?
Hold on. Okay. So
What was your score, Robert?
I technically beat Zach.
What's your score, bitch?
Mine is 21, and Zach got 11.
Okay, y'all can roast me with my math. You can tell I hate my math. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't hate
11
my
and
math.
21. I got 21. He has
Alright.
11.
Who's next? Alex,
It was
Michael, or me?
Alex, Asian, or you?
I'll wait till last.
I farted and
thinking.
it stinks really bad.
Asen, you go next. Asen will go next.
Boy, what the heck? What happened to your video, Zach? Zach. Oh, whatever. I'll just do it. Alright, you want me to start now or what?
Start.
Yeah, start now.
Alright. Zach, where do I start off? Boy, you look like Lester Molester, boy. I mean, think about it. You live in a goddamn fucking house, for Christ's sake.
Can you say one sentence
Goddamn
without...
Lester.
Zach, shut the fuck up and let him speak.
You look like a fucking pedophile. Like legit. You look like a freaking Mr. Clean pedophile who just keeps on freaking little girls, all wannabe and shit like that. Robert, man, I say you got more fucked up problems than I do, man. I mean, just think about it. You got all shit and drunk and shit like that. Fuck, man. Man, I'm gonna just call you fucking, man, fucking world debt right now, man. Alex, man, you look like a fucking wannabe Justin Bieber. I mean, look at all that blonde hair. What are you gonna call yourself, man? I mean, who are you gonna? What are people gonna think of you, man? I mean, I don't want to fucking another Justin Bieber, but think about it. If I wanted a Justin Bieber, man, I didn't want a freaking birth name Alex. Kyle, man, you look like a fucking goddamn prostitute. Look at all that hair, man. You could pass a woman and man. Man, what's that man gonna uncover that dick, man? You're gonna be a man and you're gonna pound that shit out of a man.
He said man like 420 times.
No, one of like the biggest reasons I was laughing because he sounds like one of the. He sounds like a. Okay, wait, no, actually, I'm gonna save that when I roast. Hold on. Oh wait.
All right, let's do the scores.
Okay, 7.
7.
I give him an 8 on that.
8. Okay, Zach.
5.
Zach, you fucking harsh motherfucker.
I'll give him a. I'll give him a 7. Fuck, I fucked up. You know what happened? I didn't press plus and I put in like 57 or some shit. Okay, wait.
You did one job.
Robert, Robert, what was your score?
8.
Okay, Alex, what was your score?
I said 7. Or no, I said 8.
7. Fuck you.
Hey. I said
8 plus 8 plus 5. I'll give him a 7. So Asen's in the lead.
Well, how many?
by a landslide.
No, not really.
28.
Damn. I had a 21, so I'm in second.
Alright, so I guess I'm next then, right?
Yep.
All right. It's Kyle or Alex? Which one? All right, it's Kyle. All
You know
right.
what? Since
Go ahead.
since I'm the host, I should go last.
All right. Alex, go then.
All right.
We'll start with Zach.
Okay, start. That's too easy though. Okay. Hold up. All right.
Remember,
So fucking Zach looks like his head looks like a fucking Q-tip. Like when I look at him, he looks like a fucking alien Q-tip. I can't identify what he really is though. Fucking Kyle. I mean, we're homies, man. But whenever I walk close to you, your breath stank. It's not. It smells like you just done eating ass. Robert, you look like you could be fucking Zach's twin. Fucking big brother. Big brother. I can't really say anything about the other guy. Who else is in the call? I was gonna say something about Corey, but he's not. Alright, I'm gonna just throw it in, but Corey, man, I went to look back in the yearbook at Corey's old picture, and he fucking his Shaggy resemblance was like 100%. He was a confirmed Shaggy, fucking Scooby Doo. All right,
You gotta
and I can't really say. Well,
Just say something.
Ethan, I'm just gonna say something right now. Like, is your car like a one-seater? Because like, whenever I see you get in, it's just. I mean, you should probably like open up a roof, man, so you can fit everything in there. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
and
I
Zach.
will give that. You already did, Zach.
I gave it a 5.
Alex, you forgot Zach. Oh wait, no, I forgot.
No, we
Never
didn't
mind.
give
No, I
I'll
forgot.
actually
Go.
give Alex an 8 because he made me laugh like 5 times, to be honest.
Yeah, I'll give him about a 7. I'll give him a 7.
7. Asen,
7.
what do you give him?
7.
7. Zach, what do you give him?
A 6.
Fucking Zach always with the low numbers.
Ooh, we got a tie with Alex and Asen here.
Okay, Kyle, it's your turn.
Fuck, where do I begin? Hold on, let me do something.
Begin with Zach.
All right, Zach, you fucking
No.
baked potato.
Hey. Do Zach last because I want to laugh my
Okay.
ass off when you're done.
Why do you
Okay,
always
my
start
boy-
with fucking Zach? It's too easy.
Okay, my boy Asen over here with a freaking belt on his head, trying to train to jump over the wall from Donald Trump, trying to do some ninja training. My boy Robert over here looked like a fucking baby and a thumb at the same time, with a
Giant
little with some pubes at the bottom of his chin here. Alex over here looked like he little fucking dirty Q-tip ass over here. Shut the fuck up. And Zach, you baked potato, girl dick sucking, motherfucker. There's so much I can say about you. This boy right here grabbed the milk and suddenly hit his face on a table.
Hey, look.
What the heck? That's the end of my roast because Dylan's here.
Because you're gay.
No, because he says something.
He ain't gonna snitch.
I don't care. I'm done. I'm actually done.
Dude, you're almost 18.
I'll give you a 6.
5.
A 4.
I'll give you a 6.
I give you a 6.
6.
Wait, 6?
Six.
Wait, 6?
6.
There's 3 6s and a 5.
Okay.
And 2 5s. 2 5s. 3 6s and 2 5s.
Let me guess Zach voted
Yeah, how
5.
you gonna say 3 6s and 2 5s when there are only 4 people?
You had one
dumb-
job.
1 5. 1 5.
1 5, man.
I have a... Alright, I have a 23. So since there's a tie between Alex and Asen here, these two gotta have to do a roast off.
Roast off.
Or
I
something.
mean, I don't like, know Ace and all in much, so can I just do it on Zach for you? That'd be great. Make my life a lot
Alright.
easier.
Y'all
No,
two roast Zach.
no.
And whoever roasts... No, y'all two roast Zach, and whoever has the best roast on
Alright.
Zach.
Y'all two roast Zach. whoever makes everyone laugh more.
Yeah, whoever makes us guys laugh more is the winner.
Hold on, I need to see fucking Zach's face real quick. Oh no, my
I can
phone's
send
about to
you a
die.
picture
Holy
of
shit.
Zach.
Oh, hold on, my phone's about to die.
Wait, who's going first, Alex or me?
What up?
Hey, this ain't
What's
pubic
up,
hair, by the way,
Bruno?
Kyle. It's actually a beard grown in.
4.
Alright, wait, who's starting?
Wait, who's starting? Alex or me?
Coin flip.
Tails.
Alec. Okay, Asen picks tails. Hold on. It's tails. Do you want to go or do you want to go first or want Alex go first?
Well, I'll let Alex go first.
Okay, Alex go first. Alex left.
God dang it, Alex. Wait.
What the fuck, Alex?
Look at my vampire teeth.
I'm fucking back.
Alex.
Wait,
Yeah,
Alright,
Zach.
Alex, you.
I
Alex, you
told
go
you that my
first.
fucking phone. Okay. I go on Zach? Alright.
Yes, on Zach.
Alright. Alright. So Zach, you look like you look like Golem, you look fucking bleached down. You look like you fucking shower and bleach every day. It looks like you haven't seen sunlight in forever. Fucking, your breath makes my eyes water. Your teeth have like quarters in them. What else? Yo, country accent is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. But what else can I fucking say? I can't really say anything. I said like a lot.
Ha ha.
Alright, time's up.
Oh yeah, wait, no, hold on. His
That don't be boy.
Time's up. Asen,
All right,
you are next.
Zach. I could imagine you in a goddamn.
Hold on.
Oh my
Hold on. You got 30 seconds. Go.
All right, Zach. I can imagine you in a goddamn DirecTV commercial. Boy, I would see you as like, don't be a Zach. Get DirecTV. Man, you are fucking bullshit, man. I see you as someone who has no life. I mean, look at that goddamn head. You got barely any hair on that shit. And quit fucking grabbing your dick. You ain't got nothing to show. Who you gonna show? Nothing but air? Think about it. Man, you
Time's
probably
up.
need a different bitch, though.
Time's up.
Kyle win.
You're so pitiful.
Who wins this roast off?
To be honest, I think it's more of Asian.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Asen wins. Asen wins the roast off.
You
Surprisingly.
still recording, right?
So what the hell are we gonna do
Kyle.
now? What do we want to do now?
We can just sit here and just talk casually about our nipples. My nipples are pretty big.
Asen's dabbing. Asen won the roast off, so he's dabbing.
Yeah, is he dabbing? Whatever, you know, I'll take second place. I'm not like Zach. I'll take second place.
Jelly rolls flapping everywhere.
So I got third. Zach got last.
Eight.
And Robert got
Blame me.
What the hell?
Blame me.
Asen's
Blame
like
me.
dabbing like crazy. Asen, stop for you. Shake your head off.
All right.
He has no head, it's all fat.
What the hell? Who's moving her shit?
Not me.
Alright, so we're just gonna do a normal podcast now or something? Or are we just done?
I think what you've done.
I think we're done.
Yeah, we're
We're
done.
done? Okay.
I'll see y'all at school.
Alright.
He's
This ain't
upset.
done yet.
He's upset. He has a...
But alright guys, this has been the roast session. It was kinda lame. It was kinda good.
Because I roasted all y'all.
Because Zach here doesn't know how to roast anything with his baked potato looking head.
Skype. He sucked.
But I'll see you guys later in the next podcast. We might have another roast session because this boy, my freaking CJ didn't come. But I'll see you guys later.
Make sure to wrote Zach in the comments below. English no comprehendo.
Yeah, comment who's been the best roaster out there.
Just to let everyone
Who's
know.
been the best roaster? The best roaster.
I may not have won that roast, but I definitely got a big ass dick.
I believe it's Asian who was the best one. I could already tell that.
Yeah, he did. At the end, he fucked me over.
Gmod somebody.
But alright guys, see you guys later in the next podcast. Peace out.